Hi everyone, I'm on my way to Texarkana, Texas, and it's about an hour away, and I'm gonna go and check out Five Below. I have not been there. I'm sure many of you have, and so let's go see what this one's like. It's brand new and just opened up. Gotta go check it out. Let's go see. Okay, so I made it here. I am in Texarkana. There's the Five Below. Here we go. Okay, so I just finished up, and you get to watch all the pictures for the most part. That's all I did this one, but I have to tell you, this is one of my favorite stores. This place is fun, and I did buy a few things, and I'll share with you what I bought. And I spent like about $25. The most expensive thing in there was $5 that I bought, but there was other things in there that was more than $5, so I think it went up to about 10 or 15. But still, that's pretty awesome. So as you can see, I'm in my car and I'm getting ready to head back, but I thought I'd go ahead and share with you the things that I bought. Like I said, I only spent $25.15. They have a lot of fun stuff in there. I think, especially if you're wanting to kind of decorate kind of that boho, or just a kind of a nice, clean, simple decorations. They've got a lot of different things in here that would meet that kind of pretty cute stuff. I mean, obviously it can't be that great made in terms of it, but there were still quite a few cute things, and I think some things that you could use for ideas to make your own as well on some of them. I didn't feel like it was bad. I mean, the price, there was a bunch of stuff in there. I probably could have spent a whole bunch of money, but I just wanted to go and check it out. So I really liked it. They had a lot of the items in there for the holidays, for those who celebrate Christmas. I don't, but they have tons of stuff in there for that. Tons of toys. I think lots of little toys, nothing real big, but I think when you're on a budget and you have young kids, those things in there, they like any of that kind of stuff. The fun stuff, I mean, there's a lot of things for electronic type things, the neon light or the LED lights. There was a bunch of different things, and you can see for anyone that does videos, there's a lot of little gadgets and stuff in there. They had the clothes, mostly women's stuff, but lots of t-shirts and a variety of t-shirts. They had mugs. They had a lot of beauty products, from makeup to the mask to cleaning stuff. They also had a cleaning aisle. A little bit of snacks, not a whole lot, but you saw them, but there were some fun ones. There were lots of different popcorn. That was pretty cool. That was really cool. I like the variety of popcorn. And so I think it was probably, most of the popcorn, I think it said around $3 for the bag. And some of it is, and it's name brand popcorn. I can spit that out. So it's not that it's like super expensive or anything like that. I think it might be a little bit less there, but there was a huge amount of candy in there, and I noticed there was quite a bit that's that Asian market, Chinese candy, Panda, and only because my son, he's a quarter Chinese, and so he tends to lean towards stuff like that. And I got him something that has nothing to do with the candy, but I got him something just because he's also like huge Godzilla kid. Like growing up, that was like all about Godzilla. And so when he went to Japan a few years back, a couple times that he's gone, you know, it just makes me think of him when he was a little boy. Now he's all grown up and a guy, big tall man now, and so I got him something too. I can't open it up because it's a mystery, but it's a keychain, and it's a mystery of which one it's gonna be, a little hanger, and I just thought that was kind of cool. He could probably open up and maybe one of the cool characters and put it in his car or something. So I thought that was cool. That was $5. So that one was a little bit more, but it's a Godzilla, so I get it. I did go for this. I got this because the thing about a notepad and putting it in your purse, it gets all crumpled and messed up. Well, this notepad is it's synthetic material. It's not leather or anything, and it's cushioned, but you can open it up, it zips, and then you can also probably put a pen in here or something, and it's got a couple pockets, and you can easily swap it out. So that was cool. You can swap it out. I'm sorry, I'm like looking at it and not sharing it. And there's a little folder here too. So I just thought that was actually a pretty good deal. It's $5, but it seems like it would be better to stick in my purse than just a notebook. And so I liked that, and that was $5. So those are the two more expensive items in here. I did get some of the Asian market candy stuff. This one is, it's the cocoa mint sticks, and you can put these in coffee or whatever, dip them. This is a product of Japan, and I noticed there's quite a few. So I'm assuming that the Five Below has some kind of a partnership, or is, owners are probably something to do with the Japanese entrepreneur of some sort. There is something cute I found. It's an incense for your car, and it says Happy Camper. I just thought that was really cute. I have an idea for it. I'm not sure about the smell or not. And you saw there was tons of like incense stuff in there, and I'm talking about like old school burning incense and some sage and stuff, which I thought was interesting that they had the sage in there. Some of the stuff in there is not, it's borderline to me on that kind of taboo stuff. I don't get into the chakra and stuff like that. That's not something I would get, but I know there's a lot of people out there that would. I did get one other thing, or I got two other things. Well, three. I lied. Okay, so I found a bamboozle, and if you remember, I did this with my aunt, and I may put the link below for anyone that has not seen it, because it is hilarious. I got almost every single time the beans that we did, I got the really nasty ones and she didn't. Anyway, so I thought that was kind of fun, and I have an idea with this. So I don't know, this wasn't bad. I think, let me know if anybody's brave enough to try it and do a bamboozle. And I found something for my auntie. You know she likes flamingos. Well, you can't stop and not pick something up that's a flamingo. It's a keychain and it's light. So I thought that was cool. So I had to get it for her. I couldn't help myself. And the last thing that I got was actually just a drink for myself. And it's a coconut caramel. Yeah, I know, coffee. I couldn't help it. I had to do it, I know. But so that was it. Anyway, so thank you guys for coming along today. I hope you enjoyed seeing the stuff. If you've never been to one, go check it out. It was actually quite fun. I liked the whole layout. I liked it just was fun. It was a fun atmosphere. You do your own checkout, so it's self-checkout, and so that was kind of cool. But it was really neat. So go check one out if you haven't. Five Below, who would have thought? I think if I could, I'd probably come here quite often, but thank goodness it's an hour away, so I might be in trouble with my husband. Buy a bunch of stuff I don't need, so I'm sure there's a few that can relate to that. Anyway, so it's getting kind of long. I don't want to keep you guys, and I hope everybody has an amazing day. Be blessed. Bye.